Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to delete a story here in Jira. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Jira, I need you to click the sign up option, and from here just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Deleting a story here in Jira is a straightforward process that is a significant action which I highly stress that you should consider carefully. Now, if you feel like a story is a duplicate of another existing story, deleting duplicates helps avoid redundancy and ensures that efforts are not wasted on tracking and managing the same issue multiple times. Now, once you are here on your dashboard, there are multiple ways for you to do that. One way is to change the issue time, for example, this one, into a story. All right, if you do that, what will happen is the issue status will be changed from the epic to a story. Now click on next and click on confirm. All right, and we will go back to the story earlier now that we have converted. Okay, after that, once it's been converted to the story, all right, you see there should be an option here on the upper right corner that says this one here, delete. Okay, so this is one way of you deleting a story. And again, be careful, because if you do that, there is no way for you to recover a story. All right, if you're not sure, you might want to just close this issue for now instead of deleting that. That's one way. The next option is just go to the backlogs that you are currently working with. In my case, that's going to be a deep lapse. Going here, go to backlog. There's an option here to create an issue. Okay, I'm going to create a story, right? I'm going to press enter. And once it's loaded, you see there's going to be an option here to delete. It's a straightforward process, because deleting incorrectly created stories ensures that the project data is accurate and meaningful, preventing confusion and mismanagement. And again, for example, you have created multiple duplicates by accident, right? Obviously, you might want to remove all this. Just click that, click all of it. And this one, you should have be able to have a bulk change and delete all these. All right, you change the status, and you can do a lot of things here, deleting the story here in Jira. Now, if by any chance you encounter a problem deleting a story here in Jira, like you're experiencing downside, or maybe an idle time, or a bug, or a glitch, you might want to go to the help section, type in your question to see if you get an answer. Otherwise, now you want to contact the Jira support team, and from here you can raise a support ticket, because if you're experiencing any technical glitch, error, or issues, you might want to go to the drop-down menu for technical issues and bugs, and that's going to be for the Jira services. Type in your question here, and obviously one of the support staff will give you insights and troubleshooting steps on how to potentially fix the problem. All right, and that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.